Hey, what's going on, everyone? I think I got another stock that I want to add to the portfolio. You guys can see it is right here, BYD. I noticed on yesterday's Trading X that a lot of the emerging market stocks went up higher. And this is one of these companies right here, BYD. It is a Chinese electric automotive company. This stock I'm going to show you off the chart that is due to go up higher in price. So welcome to the channel. As always, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. We're here to give you all different stocks that nobody else is generally talking about. We're not talking about the Palantirs, the SoFis, the Teslas, the Netflix, the Microsoft, the Apple. No, we're giving you stocks that other people on this platform do not regurgitate, to show you that you're able to make money in a plethora of other markets that is not being seen. All right, so make sure you guys continue to hit the like, share, and subscribe to show support for this channel. So now let's break down this chart real quick. We did a price prediction in BYD. I'm not sure when, but it was on our other channel, and we was waiting to see how low price is going to go in BYD, and these buy pockets did not hold the market, which is great. Ultimately, it looks as if the buy pocket for BYD came right here. Okay, so this is on the weekly chart. And the market actually is finding a bottom over the last 5 to 6 weeks, which is great. And it looks like this stock is wanting to go up higher in price. When we look at this on the 2 weeks, however, we're going to show you where the sellers are. Okay, so this is BYD on the 2 weekly chart. We're going to mark this area for sellers. And here's another area up here for sellers. So back on the weekly chart, you guys should be able to see it even cleaner as to where we suspect these sellers to be. Okay, so now the 2 weekly time frame, look at this. This is where you can tell people are accumulating a stock, right here. When a market goes down one bar and then it goes up the next, that's accumulation. No questions asked, no doubt about it. The only way that will negate this being accumulation of people buying the stock is if in the next bar it comes right back down. That would insinuate that there's sellers in the market still dumping this stock. But as you can tell in BYD, you're not getting that yet. Okay, so that's a very strong signal, especially on the 2 weekly time frame. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Again, these 3 weekly price bars is showing you that buyers are entering the market. This one, and then this one. 3 consecutive 3 weekly price bars, which equates to 9 weeks. You can see price closing higher off of the lows on each of these bars. Again, this is where buying is occurring in the market for BYD. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Okay, prior 5 weeks, price went down. Next 5 weeks, price went right back up. So we pay attention to the market. We pay attention to the truth. People cannot deceive you with their money. Okay, once they actually come in and actually place an order and it gets executed, they cannot take it back. So we're actually seeing people's ideas of what they think a stock was going to do. Here it is on the monthly chart. Okay, so I'm actually done. We're going to play this on the weekly time frame for BYD. We're going to put on this price prediction as to where we suspect this stock is trying to go. You can see around $14 would be 9.71%. The next target is going to be around $14.70, 15.2%. And we're really going to try to target around $17, $16.50 to like $17.13, like 34.25% run up higher from where the market currently is. Now, we're going to add another buy pocket right here though, just in case this market in BYD continues to show us weakness in selling. We would not want to see the market break these areas, because then we'll have to let the prediction go and anticipate this market going lower in price. Okay, so let's go ahead and add those just for references as we watch the performance of this stock. Okay, so now we're done. Let's go ahead and add it to the portfolio. For those who don't know, this is an over-the-counter stock, meaning that it's not necessarily traded on the NYSE or the NASDAQ exchanges. So I'm not sure if your broker is actually giving you the ability to purchase this stock, but just for references of the portfolio, we want to add it. Okay, so today's the 3rd. Okay, and we're going to add this to the portfolio. The ticker symbol is BYDDY, and the company name is BYD. The last closing price was $12.76. And that's it. We'll come back just as we will for these other stocks that we got in our portfolio. We're going to check the performance of these stocks. Do we need to keep them in the portfolio? Or do we need to let them go? Because if the market's not going in our favor, we're not the ones that's going to tell you to come in and buy the dips. We're going to dump the stocks because it's not performing the way that we expected it to do. And we're going to add more stocks to the portfolio to compensate for the losses that those prior stocks produced. All right, so this is it right here. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.